In this video, we will learn how we can set up a new tag in Google Tag Manager account. It's very easy and simple, so let's get started. First, I am assuming that you have already set up your Google Tag Manager account. If you don't have, then watch this video. I will link in the video description. Once you set up, you need to log in using Gmail account. I have already logged in. Now, open your account. Then you will find the following option, New Tag. Click Add a new tag. Here we will need to add a title. For our tag, you can add any. For the demo purpose, we will name it as HTML tag. Then we have two main things, tag configuration and the triggering. First, click tag configuration. Under tag configuration, you will find bunch of options such as Google Analytics, Google Ads, and many more. We will use custom HTML option for the demo purpose. Click on it. Here, it will ask you to add HTML code. For the demo purpose, we are using a floating contact us button, so we added the code. Then scroll down, you will find bunch of advanced settings as well. Next, it's time to set the triggering. In this part, we need to tell Google Tag Manager that under these conditions, you should trigger our tag. By default, it offers all pages, consent, initialization, and initialization on all pages. But if you click on the plus icon, you will find many other options as well. All elements, just clicks, and many more, such as user engagement and other. For the demo purpose, we are using the scroll depth under user engagement. So basically, we will tell Google Tag Manager when a user reaches a specific scroll depth of our website, then you need to show them the contact us button. So let's set it up. First, we will choose the scroll direction. It's vertical, and under percentage, we need to tell how much percentage it should be. Like 50% means when user reaches the 50%, you should show the tag, which is a floating button. Choose window load. Then under trigger, you can choose all pages or some pages. Finally, click save. Next, our setup is now complete. Now, let's go back and we can also set other triggers as well, such as all pages and other options. You can select all. Once you select it, add them. Now, save again. Go back. You can see our tag is now added. Click on the preview button to preview to the tag. Here, you need to add your website address, then click connect. Now it will take a while and will show the live preview of your website. As you know, we have set a scroll depth trigger, which means when we scroll up to 50%, it should show us the HTML button, which is a floating contact us button. So let's test it. Here we go. You can see when we reached 50% of scroll depth, the contact us button has shown. So this is how you can set up a new tag, and there are multiple variables. Now let's go back and you can see our custom HTML tag was fired 4 times. Next, you need to submit this tag to be ready and live. It will take a while, and our version 6 is now live. So it was that easy. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe for more.